we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for enhancing your Dungeons & Dragons campaigns. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, you can start by setting the scene for your campaign. You need to clearly describe the kind of world you're building, including any specific details like the setting, major characters, and plot points you want to explore. This helps ChatGPT understand the context and give you more tailored responses. Next, you can ask ChatGPT to help you generate story ideas or plot twists. For example, you can type something like, "Suggest a plot twist for a fantasy campaign where the heroes are exploring an ancient ruin." ChatGPT will then provide creative suggestions that you can incorporate into your storyline. If you're looking for character development ideas, you can ask ChatGPT to flesh out characters by providing backstory elements or unique traits. Just type something like, "Create a backstory for a rogue character in a medieval setting." ChatGPT can also assist with world building. Ask it to describe unique locations or cultures that your players might encounter. This can add depth and intrigue to your campaign world. To keep your sessions exciting, you can also use ChatGPT to design encounters or puzzles. Describe the scenario, and ask ChatGPT to suggest interesting challenges or riddles that fit your campaign's theme. Remember, the more specific and detailed your prompts are, the better responses you'll get. You can refine your queries based on what ChatGPT suggests until you find the perfect fit for your game. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.